Hi everyone, welcome to this new vegetarian recipe. Today we are going to make some mayonnaise. You can use this mayonnaise with everything, with sausages, with burgers, or just with some bread. But this is very special because we are going to make the mayonnaise with these. And if you don't have these, I show you how to do it. I will start this recipe with a knife, my favorite knife. And we are going to prepare the herbs. So this is coriander. If you have parsley, then it works as well. We want to chop them. So yeah, when you do this operation, you definitely need a sharpened knife, otherwise you will press the herbs and then you will not have the same results. And of course, it's safer to have a sharpened knife. We take the mortar. So don't worry about it. If you don't have mortar, then take a mixing bowl. That's exactly the same process. You take the mixing bowl and the whisk. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit. So we prepare the mortar. It will be better when we will turn with the pestle or the whisk. If you don't have pestle, take a whisk. It's exactly the same process again. And we want to add the herbs first because it will be better to make the mayonnaise. You'll see later. You know, sometimes it's hard to start a mayonnaise. You have to be very mindful. Now that we have the herbs first, then it's easier, you see. I'm adding a little bit of thyme. If you don't have thyme, you can take savory as well. To be honest with you, I prefer with savory, but it's not the season, then I take what I have. Black pepper. No, this is salt, sorry. And then black pepper after, yeah. For the salt, it's better to add it first, because if you add the salt after the mayonnaise is done, then you'll have white points into the mayonnaise, so it's okay, but it's not that beautiful actually. Yeah, I'm taking the yellow. If you'd like to have more vegetarian recipes, then don't forget to subscribe. We take a rag underneath the bowl, so the bowl doesn't move. All the oils close to us. And I start mixing. I start with olive oil right onto the pestle. You hear that sound? As long as you hear that sound, it means you are on a good way to succeed your mayonnaise. You see, I still turn into the same direction, and you don't want to change the direction, otherwise you will lose the mayonnaise, at least for the first step. Now we swipe, we take the natural oil. This is grapeseed oil. And it's very important to make this mayonnaise with any natural oil, because otherwise it will be too much bitter with olive oil. Definitely a workout time. Yeah, the pestle is not holding, then it means we need to add more oil into the bowl. Let's check out if the pestle holds. And yeah, it does. And we finish with the vinegar. This is wine vinegar. Just a few drops, because the vinegar will break the bitterness. This is acid. And yeah, very careful, because if you put too much vinegar inside, then that's the end. The mayonnaise will fall down, and you don't want that. I'm going to taste it, of course. Yeah, it looks good. You can keep this mayonnaise during 48 hours into the fridge. Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like more vegetarian recipes, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. I'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment below. Bon appétit!